1100 GS in touring fettle today. Pair of panniers seems to be the style, and we look across from the 1100 to the 1200. And there is the gentleman there looking at me very suspiciously.
Yeah.
As I'm looking at the bar. And you are touring.
Yeah.
And that is good.
Yeah.
And will you be taking the GS off-road?
Not our friend has that one.
Oh, so right. So
we can't take everything off-road.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Because there is much off-road here.
Yes, we know.
Huge amount.
Yeah.
Which I am exploring on a bicycle.
Okay.
And I'm always don't worry, it is perfectly safe in my hands. And a very gentleman there. He bought the 1200 and sold the 1100 to his friend. So it's just really a quick run over to show you how he's decided to kit it out. So he's got 3 metal boxes. The obligatory unpronounceable begins with no, but very robust. His tail drawing. He's fully kitted with the Defender kit on the fairings. A couple of Touratech lights on it. Touratech on that side on the 1100. Looking at the 1100, the more modest setup. It's got the expanded plastic boxes on those, which I found actually quite robust. I did drop my BM over onto them and they never cracked. So it's a very interesting setup that the gentleman has here. And I hope it gives you somewhat of an insight. There we are. Little screen on the front, just over the top of his head. Quite a tall gentleman. So he needs it. There we are, look at that. Got a phone stand on it. I actually prefer the 1100, at least you can work on them. People made them lighter by taking off the tailpipe rather than putting an ACO on it, and just took them off. Some long distance riders use those, using that configuration. They found it was quiet enough through the expansion box. So I'm fluffing around here doing this, but I hope it's an insight and inspires you to go touring on your BMW. Amesbury near Stonehenge.